Okay, let me explain the enterprise structure, and once I will just recap all this enterprise structure, how the enterprise structure will looks like. Okay, so then after I will jump into the configurations. Clear? So in previous class, I already told you, but as some of them are very new, right? I'm again explaining these things. Okay, so see, I will give you just best simple examples over here. Okay, so see, hope some people will remember whatever the explanation I have done earlier, all these explanations. Okay, see, I will give you one example so that you will understand why HCM is required for a organization, for a company. Okay, so simply, if I'm saying that if any or suppose example, what happens in the sense like Tata Group will approach to the will purchase or subscribe the Oracle Fusion, okay, from Oracle, and it will give the contract to any Accenture or Infosys or Mastek. Consider Mastek. For Mastek, Tata Group purchased or subscribed Oracle Fusion for their company, okay, in order to maintain their total enterprise structure in Fusion HCM. This contract is given to the Mastek. It's a company. It's a consultancy. Okay. Then Mastek people, this consultancy people will ask the Tata Group, okay, in such a way, okay, how many places the Tata Group is existing, like how many continents, like Asia and America, okay, all these continents, how many continents and how many legally registered companies are there, okay, and what I can say, within the registered companies, wherever, what are the places that business is functioning. Suppose example, Tata Group is, see, these are things I already explained, but I'm just giving the recap. It will ask a question, Mastek will ask questions to Tata Group. Okay, so what is the total ultimate holding company name? That is Tata Group. How many continents it will be existing? They will say Africa, Asia, okay, and America, okay. And then after, what all are the legally registered companies in Asia, and what all are the places that this company is functioning, this business is functioning. Then after, what all are the grades and what all are the departments are there in Tata Group, and what all are the locations are there. So these information will be collected by Mastek from Tata Group. See, then Mastek will do like enterprise and division. Actually, the structure of this Oracle Fusion is ESS. This one is workforce structure. Okay. So now over here, the ESS information is collected, right? Tata Group, this enterprise and division and legal entity. So these configurations first Oracle Mastek will do. Then after, it will do, after doing up to business unit, then workforce structure they will do by job, grade, department, and location. Okay. Then they will attach these two things by using, I will tell you, by using RDS. Okay. There is a concept called RDS. It will attach both of them. Means then you will understood if anybody's are working under any place. Suppose example, if I see already existing already existing configuration. Suppose example, we hired one employee. Okay, you can see over here, the person is hired under the this legal entity, this legal employer we will call this legal entity, and these all are the information like job, business unit. This information is related to workforce structure. This information is related to enterprise structure. See, legal employer. Under this legal employer, this one, assignment number, and these all are the informations. Okay, clear? Hope you people are understanding whatever I'm telling. Any doubts? Ravi, Srinu, Akhil,
Or,
clear?
yeah.
So now, actually, I told this one is very in-depthly. You can, I'm just recapping this one. You can go through the previous one video. Now, everything that we captured, right? Tata Mastic is captured every single information from the Tata group. Once it is captured, once it is captured, then what is the next step, sir? The next step is we have to create all these structure, all these configurations, all these tasks. You observe over here, divisions, legal entity, okay, business unit, department, grade, job, position, all these information only that. So in order to capture the information, enterprise, legal entity, and job, position, grade, department, first you have to create all these things in the enterprise, in the instance. Hello. Hope you guys are understanding whatever I'm telling. You understood, right? Why we are going to do these configurations? Tata Group will approach to the Mastic to do these configurations in the system. In order to do these configurations in the system, Mastic should know. Mastic will explain to the Tata Group, this is the structure. This is a structure that we have to follow. This is a structure existing in the Fusion HCM. We have to configure in the same way. Then Mastic will collect the information like what all are the legal entities, what all are the business units, what all are the departments. All these informations will be collected by Mastic. Then once these all are collected, then Mastic people will do, means consultancy people will do the configurations of all these things. Any doubt? You can raise your hands if you have any doubt. Hope you people are understood why we are doing all these configurations, right? Hello,
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Ravi. Okay. So now, actually, first of all, whenever we are getting the access, suppose example, when you got the access to this instance, first access will be provided to the Tata Group people from the Oracle. That the Tata Group will provide the access to the Mastic to this instance. When we are looking into this instance, nothing will be presented over here. Only for the people who all are coming from Mastic, okay, they will get the access. Okay, like application configuration, okay, specialist and IT manager. So these all are the IT security manager. So these all are the roles, higher level roles will be provided to the Mastic people. Then Mastic people will enters into the system. Okay, enters into the system. They will go to the setup and maintenance. They will go to the setup and maintenance. Over here, they will start with Okay. Establish enterprise structure. Actually, okay, so they will do this establish enterprise structure. So what is this established enterprise structure, sir? So whatever I explained till now, enterprise, divisions, legal entities, okay, business units, these things we will configure over here and load it over here. Okay, see, once you got the system, over here nothing will be there. You are the person who is going to load and do this one. Okay, how we will do, sir? How we will do? Just click on plus over here, give one name, Tata New Enterprise. Just click on OK. Okay, see, very important question. They will ask, what is the first step that you are going to do once you got the access to the system for the first configuration? What is the first configuration that we supposed to do? Actually, the first configuration is we supposed to do enterprise structure only. But see, I'm just giving any name over here. So once you observe over here, what is the name, enterprise name auto came over here, sir? Reliance Group. Why? Because Reliance Group enterprise structure is already loaded into the system. That's the reason by default it is showing Reliance Group. Okay. So now, if you want to create a new one, okay, short name you can give, okay. Primary industry, it's just for the reference purpose. Okay, primary industry, if the Tata Group primary industry is, you can say like anything like real estate or public administration, you can give mining. Okay. Headquarters, it is also only for the information. It is started, the Tata Group is started in the India. I'm giving India. Now, coming to over here, legal information. So this is also one of the important question. So how many legal, what is the prerequisites in order to create enterprise structure? What is the prerequisites to create enterprise structure? Prerequisites are you need at least at least one legally registered company, means one legal entity should be there in order to create legal enterprise structure. See, that is okay. Legal entity, but at least one registered legal entity is required. But coming to over here, in order to create legal entity, so I am itself, see one, Mastek people are asking to Tata Group, then they provided one legal entity. The legal entity name is, okay, TCS India. Okay, legal entity identifier. It's a number when you are registered that legal entity with the India or else uh, legislative data group. What we can say in the sense, when you registered a company, this number will be provided by the what I can say, country itself. You can mention that number will be something like 123. This number will be provided by organization. This TCS India only. Okay. This registered number, registered company number, you can give like this. Legal reporting number, it's like a PAN number of your registered company, like RHQ 5432. Okay. 5643 like that. See, up to here it is okay, sir. What is the question? In order to create enterprise structure, what is the prerequisite? We told like legal, at least one legal entity is required in order to create legal entity, in order to create enterprise structure. Now coming over here, see, it is asking for the legal addresses, right? You have to opt for the address also. See over here, when we are creating any legal entity, there is a concept called addresses. Okay, legal addresses. You have to create legal address, right? Over here, come here, over here, setup and maintenance. Click on this, create plus button, such. Okay, see, when you are creating this one, over here, what is this one, sir? So if I am choosing any other country, is it changed? Changed or not changed? Now, if I am choosing other country, see, again it is changed. Am I right or not? So, what I am trying to explain over here, see, location create. We have to create a location. Okay. This location, in order to create legal address, you have to create a location also over here. So come to that location. Okay. Come here. Manage locations. Click on create plus. Okay. Come down. Click on search. Okay. See, over here, you are getting these all are the countries, right? Hello.
Yes, Ravi.
How these all are the countries are coming over here? How these countries are coming over here? See, what I am trying to explain over here is, in order to create enterprise structure, why we have to create enterprise structure? We have to create enterprise structure in order to maintain or in order to hire an employee. Okay. Under enterprise, there is a legal entity. Under legal entity, there is a business unit. Under business unit, there is a job, grade, department, and location. Okay. This is a structure. We have to first create this structure. Then after, we have to hire an employee and remaining tasks that we can perform. Whenever we are trying to create an enterprise structure, it is asking for the legal entity. At least one legal entity is required. It is asking. Whenever I'm creating the legal entity, it is asking for the legal address. Okay, if I'm going and creating a legal address, it is asking for the location to create. From if I'm going to the location, see where this location is created, sir. It is whenever we are creating, it is asking for the country. Clear? So now my question is, okay, where these legal entries, countries are coming up over here. If you observe over here, see, if you observe over here, it is, what does it is, sir? What it means? Geography. Okay. Create this one, like choose this one, click on OK. Okay. This is called, whenever I'm choosing this country over here, it is asking like which geography that you want to opt. Which geography that you want to opt means what in the location we are we are opting to one geography, means geography in the sense like altitude, latitude will be there, right? Those information maintained in the geography. This geography, see over here, this geography. This one, longitude, altitude will be attached to this geography. This one we are attaching to the location. This location we are attaching to the legal address. Then we are creating a legal address and attaching to the legal entity. Understood what I'm trying to explain? Hello? Yes or no?
Yes.
So what I'm trying to explain over here, whenever you are trying to create enterprise structure, what is required, sir? Legal address is required. Location is required. Location is required. Over here, geography. So in order to create geography, we have a concept called manage geography. If you observe or not, I kept it first only over here. You have to create geography structure. Okay. The first step is manage geographies. Whenever you got the system to implement, you have to work on geographies. Okay. So now I will explain how to create these geographies once after I am creating this enterprise structure. Is it okay? Why? Because you will get confused. But you should know what is the first step. First step is need geography structure. Then after you have to create an enterprise structure. And you need one legally registered company also. Okay. Now over here itself I am explaining creating some registered. Okay. Got it. Now, once you come down over here, it is asking, see, you have provided enough information to configure the simple enterprise structure. Okay. With a single legal entity operating in a single country. Set an option below. Okay. What is the option that we are getting over here? See, what are the options that we are getting over here? Continue with the interview to set up more legal entities. And second option is complete setup for a single legal entity in a single country. Means it is asking Raghu, do you want to create more legal entity in future under this enterprise? Or else you don't want to go with the more legal entity. You want to go with the single legal entity only. Which option that you want to choose? This is a question. 99% we will choose continue with interview to set up more legal entities. Correct? In future, we will create more legal entities, right? We won't rely on only one legal entity. We will create more legal entities. That's the reason I'm choosing. I want to create more legal entities. Hello? Clear? Yes, speak out, sir. If you are speaking out only, then I can understand whether you are following or not following. In the initial classes, if you are speaking out, then only I can understand. Hello?
So, yeah,
We
yes,
can
sir.
unmute. Srinu and Akhil.
యా
Srinu.
రఘు అంటే మీరు ఒక ఐడియా
Akhil.
కోసం అట్లా శాంపుల్ గా చెప్తున్నారు కదా అంటే డైరెక్ట్ ఇంకా స్టార్ట్ చేయలేదు కదా ఇది
అర్థం కాలేదు.
అంటే
we are doing
ఎంటర్ప్రైజ్
yeah, you can speak in English. Like I'm already started configuration of enterprise structure.
ఓకే. బట్ ఆ సెర్చ్ ఆప్షన్స్ ఆ పేజ్‌కి వెళ్ళాలన్నా చాలా ఫాస్ట్‌గా వెళ్తున్నారు. అందుకనే
No, no,
డౌట్ వచ్చింది.
I'm not explaining you how to create uh, what I can say, what location. I'm not explaining how to create geographies. I'm not explaining how to create legal addresses. I'm not explaining those things, but I'm trying to explain you legal address is mandatory to create enterprise structure. Now I'm not explaining all those things. We have separate tasks and separate classes for them. Now, if I am explaining those things, you will be confused. Got it?
Yeah. That's what I'm asking. Like,
Yeah. I'm just explaining only the enterprise structure only. No need to
yeah.
concentrate on-
Why it is needed and how
yeah, why
what
it
we
is
need.
needed. In interview, they 100% they will ask question if the questions are coming in core HR. What are the prerequisites or what are the mandatory things that you need? Any other questions, Sonali, Hariprasad, Raju, Akhil, Sai Kiran?
Yeah, Raghu, is this the geography and country same or
Sorry.
are the geography and country same options or is different?
So geographies are different. See, under the country, we will have like which location, which district,
Okay.
which state is called as geography.
Okay, may it's like a exact location of that particular
Just
office.
geography in the sense latitude and longitude.
Okay.
Okay. So I will explain those things. Okay. Just you concentrate on enterprise structure creation.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you. Good. Please unmute yourself wherever you are. So first initial classes, if you are speaking, then I can understand where you are following, where you are not following. If you got any doubt, there itself you ask me. Okay. Now I'm just clicking on next.
And Raghu, sorry to interrupt.
Please.
And all this information will be provided by the enterprise.
This
inside itself,
information,
right?
you consultant. Our work is we are not the developers, we are the consultants who works very closely with the business. This is your responsibility to collect all the information from the business. Okay. So the configurations over here, you can observe over here, sir. If I am clicking on next, it will stop in once the primary information is completed. This is a train stop. We will call it as train stop. This is first train stop. Okay. Now, in this train stop, just click on place. What we are creating over here? We are creating, see over here, sir. Under previously we created enterprise, then after division, then after legal entity, then after business unit. Correct or not? Now you just observe, click on back. Okay. Now I will giving over here division is 1. Okay. Which country? In India. Okay. Location. See, it is asking for the location. See. Now, just click on back. Okay. Over here, how many enterprise structures that we are created, sir? Here. How many enterprise structures? Hello.
One only.
One only. But come here. How many? See, can I create multiple divisions over here?
Yes, we can.
Am I right or not? This is India. This one I'm creating in. In Europe, one I'm creating. Okay. But divisions, how many divisions that we can create, sir? Multiple, right? Clear or not?
Yes.
Multiple divisions that we can create. But if you observe or not observe, see, if I am just click on into and click on next. Click on next. This legal entity is already coming up over here, right? From where this legal entity is coming? Any idea? Am I created this legal entity?
No, we have provided in initial stage.
Correct.
Slide.
See, if you observe over here, I'm just clicking on back and clicking on back. You observe two things. We can create only one enterprise structure, and without creation of divisions also, I can move it to the next train step, that is legal entity. Legal entity, having legal entity is mandatory, but having divisions is mandatory. No, you no need to attach divisions to the legal entity. Without creation of divisions also, we can complete total enterprise structure. Raghu, then why divisions are required? Divisions are only required in order to, for the reporting purpose. Reporting purpose in the sense, whenever you're writing any SQL query, you can write down like, I want to fetch the legal entities which all are comes under this legal division. Means I registered like 10 companies in Europe. So I will write an SQL query in certain way, like select legal entities, okay, where the division is equal to Euro. Select. Then it is easy to fetch the data. So for only for the reporting purpose only, we will create the divisions. Clear? Any doubt? Hope you got the point.
Yes.
Good. India. Okay. Click on next. Okay. See, over here, already legal entity is fetching, which we provided at the primary information level. See, over here, we are getting two options over here. See, place and generate automatically. So the beauty of this enterprise, the beauty of this fusion is, if you are not understanding anything, just to keep the cursor over here, sir, like this. It will give you the information like create legal entities by identifying the countries in which you employ people. Okay. Just click on that one. It will show you. This is warning message, sir. This is warning. We have two types of errors in Fusion. We have how many types of errors in Fusion? Two types. Okay. First one is warning and second one is error. Warning is it's like a caution. Warning in the sense, it's like a caution. Error in the sense, it won't allow you. Warning means it allows. Like it allows you, it's like a caution. It will give for your information. Now coming to error, it won't allow you. It won't allow you. Clear? This is the difference between error and warning. So what I clicked on, generate automatically. Click on OK. Okay. So see, it is asking select the countries in which organization operates use this information to generate list of legal entities automatically, add additional countries the table if a division operates in more than one country. Okay, see, I'm just clicking on 1 and 2 for the Luxembourg, and I'm clicking on only 2 for the India. Okay, in auto, I clicked on automatically generated. It is showing whatever the divisions we are created in the countries. It is giving that the Raghu, 2 divisions are already created, Raghu, in the Luxembourg and India. Do you want to go with the same countries? Okay, as a legal entity. I just clicked on Luxembourg 1, 2 and India 2. Then click on OK. How it looks, let's see. See, over here, Luxembourg is created with 1 and 2 as a prefix. India is only created with 2 as a prefix. Why? Because we choose over here, just to come back, we have to give the information over here. Okay. Did you got? Luxembourg is created. Luxembourg legal entity is created in Division 1 and Division 2. But this India legal entity, see, prefix as a division, suffix as a legal entity, automatically chosen. Okay, so just to give this info. This information, legally, everything information will be provided by company only. Okay, now, hope you understood up to here. Everything is okay, Raghu. Then, what is this one? Ultimate holding company. What does it mean, ultimate holding company? See, whatever the legal entity we are provided at the enterprise level, at the primary information, that company will be considered as a ultimate holding company. But is there any functionality? See, it means that company is registered very in initial days, like Tata Group is established in, suppose example, in 80s, 70s, 70, 70, 80 in that year, suppose example. At that time, which legal entity, means which company is created by Tata? That one we are calling it as a ultimate holding company. Does this ultimate holding company have any extra privilege? No. Does this ultimate holding company have extra functionality? No. In interview, they will ask, what is ultimate holding company? What is the difference between normal legal entities and ultimate holding company? What is the functional differences, functionality differences? Is there any characteristics differences? Absolutely no, sir. Do we use this ultimate holding company in the reporting purpose? No. It is just for the information purpose that we use. Okay. Now, coming to over here, add it over here. Then click on next. Okay. Now, hope you're understanding what I'm explaining. Hello. Okay. Now, see over here. Okay, over here, see, you can automatically generate business unit. See, legal entity wise. See, TCS India is a legal entity. One Luxembourg is a legal entity. Two India legal entity. These all are the legal entities. Am I right or not? Hello? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes? Do you want to create whatever the legal entities that we are created in previously? Want to make all of them as a business unit? Select and next. If I clicking on next, what happens? See, whatever the business units are there, whatever the legal entities are there, sorry, these all are the four legal entities are there. These four legal entities automatically created business unit. See over here, business unit name is suffix as a BU and code is BU0001. Business unit code is. Understand? Hello. And or else we can go with this country also. Click on OK. If you observe, I created four legal entities only in Luxembourg and India. If you observe, till now I used only two countries. Okay. If you want to go with the business units along with the country, then just choose this one and click on next. See, it will be created in this. Come back. Okay. You can go with the legal entity, or else you can go with the divisions. How many divisions are there? Two divisions, right? Select both of them and click on next. 1, 2, like this. This is your wish, sir. This is your wish. Select all, click on next. Okay. Sorry. Once you created all these things, you can even create manually also. Okay. BU 0007. Okay. Symbol. And click on next. Clear? Once I am reaching out to the next, it is asking for the reference data sets. Raghu, what is reference data sets, Raghu? I'm not going to explain it right away. It is, I'm going to deal with over here. See, reference data sets. This is the concept. I will explain it over here. For right now, I'm not giving any information over here. Okay. Just click on next. Default reference data set I'm giving common set, sorry, enterprise set. I will explain, sir. Don't get confused over here. Once I'm explaining this reference data set, then you will understood. Okay, this concept. Now I'm not. We should not discuss right now. It is okay. Just click on next. Then click on next. Okay. See, till now, whatever we discussed, whatever we created, okay, enterprise name is Tata New Enterprise Structure. These all are the two divisions. These all are the four legal entities. These all are the 5 business units. These all are the reference data sets that we are creating. Okay. Now, click on management reporting structure. Okay. See. Okay. See. Observe over here, sir. You just observe over here. This is the structure. You have to take this printout. What you have to do in the sense, you have to take this printout. Okay, I'm just clicking on save and close. You have to take this printout and show it to the business. I'm created this enterprise structure in this way. If they approved this one, once I'm just clicking on save and close. Okay. Once they approved this one, where it is went there, we are created so many. This one only we are created. Tata new enterprise structure. This one only. Hello. Maybe this one only. Okay. Once you created this one, you have to look. You will take the printout of that one. Then once you got the printout of that one, you have to take the approval from the business. Once you got the approval, then you have to load enterprise structure. Here, go to the task. This is a load. Then why it is vanished? Why it is not visible over here? Why? Because Reliance Group already one enterprise structure is loaded into the environment. If anything is loaded, you cannot modify. You cannot load another one. You cannot load another one. Okay. So why sir? Why you should not load? Enter this one instance can allow only one enterprise structure. Oracle will allow only one enterprise structure. You cannot create multiple enterprise structures. Whatever the enterprise structure is loaded, you can, if you want to create a new one, okay, you can roll back. Once you choose which one is loaded, you can choose that one and you can roll back. Got it? Any doubts? Yes.
Where can we see that loaded one?
Stopping recording.